Hello nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to check what changes we made in our Git repo. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to start watching this video from the playlist from the beginning, and if you know what you are doing, then just keep watching this video. So this is my Git repo. I have opened in this VS Code, and in the terminal I am at the in my repo on main branch. So let's make some changes in couple of files. So let's add this, then let's add this, and this is a new file I have recently added. So now let's try to check what files are changed. So if you in my previous video I showed you the git status command, which displays which files are modified and newly added. Now let's try to check what changes we made so far. So to check that, command is git diff. So when you run this command, you will see that this number of lines are added in readme.md. Then in the test.php, these lines are added 7 and 8. So 7 I added in my previous video but did not commit, and 8 I just wrote right now. So this is how it is displaying the difference. So by doing that, you can see what changes you have made so far. So this is how you can check the difference. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And after checking the difference, how to get back to the previous screen. So for that you have to press Q and you will be back to your screen. So this is how it is done. Please write down below in the comment section if you have any doubt or question. Thanks for watching the video, guys.